I'm going to show you how easy it is to perform due diligence by using acres as a tool. So I found a parcel that's coming up for auction that has some unique attributes. Here it is. It is expired CRP. There's 55.20 acres that are recorded with the FSA. Let's go find this farm and see what we can learn. So we're going to type in Hancock County, Illinois. We're going to go find this. It was in Carthage. So here's Carthage Township. This was the section it was in. Let's go ahead and toggle to parcels. So this is the farm right here, 83.6 acres. Let's see what we can learn here. So I'm going to go, one of my favorite tools to get an idea what's been happening on a farm in a very fast fashion is the historical imagery tool. And so this is the imagery from 2019, 2017, 2015. Looks like it was in production of some sort. 2014 looks like it was in production. Looks like there's a couple ponds on it. And that's how to see almost 10 years of history, or 5 cumulative years of imagery from a farm in a quick manner. Now let's look at the soils on this farm. They mentioned there was 55 approximate FSA acres on the parcels. So let's go ahead and select these, and then we'll look to see what the soils are on this particular parcel. So they're right there, about 56. And let's click the Insights button and see what these soils are like. So 96.3 PI here in Illinois. And we can actually toggle over to see what parts of it. So 34% of the fields are 118 PI. Looks like some of the higher parts of the field. This low spot has really rich soil. And you can scroll down here and see all the different soil types that are on the tillable ground. Now let's go ahead and see what else we can find. Flood tool. Let's click back to parcels. You can see that there's a creek that runs through where it may get wet seasonally, would be my guess. Property taxes. Let's go ahead and find out what these were. We can select through the different tax years and see what they've been. So in 2020, they were $900. Now let's say we want to take a step further and see some of the comps in this area. If you're not familiar, you can actually zoom out, look at courthouse data with the premium subscription, and let's find a farm that may be a similar price range to where we think this might land. Let's look at this 80. This is McDonough County. Click that. We'll go right here. So we're comparing an 83-acre parcel with an 80-acre parcel as quick as this. We can look at the sales data. It sold September 1st, 2022. Here's the buyer and seller. 106 PI. Pretty similar. And as the crow flies, that's not far from this farm. So you can go in and find comparables in a quick fashion, perform due diligence fast, move on if the farm's not of interest, or learn more and dive into all the tools that are available here on Acres.